is there any role of acupuncture? Is acupuncture safe, or it treats headache or migraines very well?
I think that is very tricky question to ask and answer also, I feel.
या
The
बिकॉज मैंने बहुत सारी लेडीज को सुना है वो डॉक्टर के पास स्पेशलिस्ट के पास पहले ये सारी चीजें करके देन दे विल कम टू दैट्स व्हाई आई वांट टू आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन सो दैट
the answer for that question is very difficult to answer. Why I'm telling you? Because see, in migraine patient, any therapy, like patient is coming to you are just simply giving normal saline to the patient and telling you will get better. Most of the
ओके
patient they get a placebo effect.
या
So any therapy in migraine, you must have seen a lot of migraine patients. They're going and taking lumbar this
यस
cervical traction, and they
यस
get
यस
better. So the placebo effect is seen in most of the migraine patients. So whether the acupuncture is working or the placebo effect is working, we don't know. So when it comes to scientifically based therapy, definitely we know our therapies are scientifically proven as per the guidelines, and we have seen the results. When it comes to the acupuncture, maybe the patient must be feeling better temporarily, but maybe it will not take care of the migraine over the longer period of time. But yoga and meditation, if you'll ask me, definitely it keeps your migraine under the control.
ओके
So doing meditation, yoga, cardio exercises, it definitely helps migraine patients.
oh wow very interesting treatment part we have covered with Dr. Aarti Kulkarni today. And I hope you all have become aware of now what are the common headaches, migraines, and please, I think now you are aware that अब आप घर पे रह के उसे ट्रीट नहीं करेंगे. सो जाते जाते डॉक्टर आरती आप कुछ मैसेज देना चाहेंगी हमारी वुमेन्स को इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे और मंथ के सेलिब्रेशन पे.
Yes. So headache problem, it is very common in the woman, but most of the time it is overlooked, or maybe it is not paid attention to. So all the women, they should pay attention to their health, because even the simple headache, if it is not diagnosed on time and not treated on time, can have a life-threatening impact on the patient's life. So understanding that is extremely important, and staying healthy and doing regular exercises, taking adequate sleep also helps in maintaining a brain health. So stay tuned. Thank you.